Hi, today we will be working on doing number bonds up to 6.
So look at our number bond of 2 plus 3. How do we solve this? We can use a 10 frame to show our work.
First, we use the two numbers 2 and 3 and put them onto a 10 frame.
We count the dots and add them together. Then we put the numbers on the number bond. We will always put the total where the lines from the circles meet, or it will be confusing. There are 5 circles in the 10 frame. The answer is 5.
Now, our second problem. First, we will draw our number bond. Then, we will add our numbers 3 and 3. What is the sum? We will let you solve this on your own. Then you can check your work.
First, look at your two numbers 3 and 3. Let's use a 10 frame to model our work. Then we put our first 3 onto our 10 frame. Now the other 3. 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the sum because that is the end of what we counted.
We will draw our number bond just like we did. Our numbers are 4 and 2. What do you think is the sum? The answer is 6, but how do you get 6? 4 and 2 are our numbers. When you add them up, you will get 6. If we count by ones starting from 5, it will add up to 6. 5, 6. So, the total is 6. This time, you are going to draw the number bond on your own. What do you think is the total? Follow along to check your work. Our numbers are 1 and 3. So, 1 plus 3 equals 4. We count them by ones starting from 2. 3, 4. So, the total is 4.
Let's try one more problem. You picked 1 grape and you picked 4 more. How many grapes do you have now? You have 5 grapes. We need to check how it's possible. If you had 1 grape and you picked 4 more, you have 5 grapes. Here is how you check your work. Count the grapes by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots in all, so we have 5 grapes.